Text. Hydrogen revenue jumps for world's biggest maker of shipping containers. The world's biggest manufacturer of shipping containers sees a surge in revenues from its hydrogen business, in a sign the clean fuel is starting to gain commercial traction. China International Marine Containers Group Kummer makes electrolyzers that can produce hydrogen, as well as storage containers for the gas. It generated about 1 billion yuan, $139 million of sales from those activities last year, according to the company's vice president, Li Yinhui. That could more than double by 2025, he said at an event in Shenzhen this week, where the company debuted a new electrolyzer designed to operate better with fluctuating power flows. CIMC says the technology will be vital in making green hydrogen, a variety of the carbon-free fuel that's produced from intermittent wind and solar generation. Green hydrogen is viewed as crucial to decarbonizing heavy industries, including steel, cement, and chemicals, as well as potentially playing a role in transport and clean energy storage. China accounts for about 72% of global capacity to produce electrolyzers, which use electricity to split water into hydrogen and oxygen gases, according to Bloomberg NEF.